Hello everyone, I'm welcoming you all once again to this channel. So today I'm going to make a video on this Gaussian tutorial. So mainly this video will be based on this GaussView software. So here I will try to show how to use this GaussView to make any molecular structure, so that we can do here itself. So if I'm going to click on this, so this is the Gauss view and this window is open now, and if I will click over here, so you can see that one CH4 molecule came by default. So by default this atom is already already present over there. If we will click on this new seed, then always the CH4 molecule will come. Now what if you want to generate more, like if you want to do more carbon rings inside into it, so what we can do? So here there is an option. So the option here is this. You can see that there is carbon element, one carbon element is here. If I will click on here, so the segment is called element fragment. So I'm clicking over here. You can see that all the periodic table is appearing here. So I want another carbon. So you see that if I have clicked twice, that's why two CH4 molecules came. If you like, if it is unnecessary for you, you can simply do Ctrl Z. So now you can see that one carbon CH4 molecule is went on. Next, if I want another carbon molecule, like another carbon atom to connect, if you want to make a benzene ring or anything, then you can click like this. Like here on over this hydrogen atom, I am clicking again. You see one carbon added, then click again, then click again. So this way you can click and you can make your molecule. So I will again do the click again and here. So this way you can click and at the end you can connect them. So this way you have to little bit careful like how to do. So it is little bit difficult in this way to close this kind of chain or to close this cycle. So what we usually do for that, so what we do, let's take a carbon and then we can have this kind of molecule. Like yeah, here you see that there is a benzene kind of structure came. Now if I will again click, so you can see here you can do the ring or like phenyl, biphenyl, whatever you want, you can do like this. You can take your ring. So if I have taken this one, so I'm clicking, you see the simply the benzene ring started appearing over here. So this way you can do. So this way like this is the little easier than the previous one. So this way you can do your molecular design. So what if you want to replace this hydrogen with any other element? So you can go to here again and then click on, suppose I want to replace this nitrogen, then click over here. Then you see that another nitrogen atom came with two hydrogen atom. So this way you can modify. If you want oxygen, and oxygen of which type, like O, like double bond of oxygen, or O with other atoms, so like that you can take. I am taking this double bond, so I am putting it over here. You see that this way it has started appearing. So this way you can modify your atom. And now I am going to do Ctrl Z because I don't want all these things. So what we will do here, suppose I want to draw an ethanol, then what I will do, I will take carbon. So here I am clicking. So now the CH4 came. Then again I will do here. Okay, now we need to have one OH group so that we can make our ethanol. Okay, so here I am taking oxygen. Then with oxygen, what should I take? This one. Okay, so I am clicking on here, and here if I will click, you see that ethanol is came. One along one side this C2H5 group is here, and another side O with H. Okay, so this is our ethanol molecule. So this way whatever molecule you want to draw, you can draw that, and don't bother about this bond length or bond angle or anything. That can be taken care by this optimization. When you will do the optimization by applying all your particular methods and setting your basis set and the method of DFT or any other method, so that thing will take care of that. Like the bond angle will be automatically arranged to their stable position, and this way you can do. And also before doing the calculation you can do a pre-optimization, so that we usually do by clicking on this kind of brush option. So here I am clicking on the brush option, you see what changes are happening. So little bit they have shifted or something is happening. So this way you can do one pre-optimization, then you can go for your quantum mechanical optimization or any other such optimization. Okay, so I think this much I wanted to tell today only. So in the next videos we will see some other things using this GaussView software, and we'll do certain calculation using Gaussian. And if you want you can also submit a simulation to this SCF or to the energy optimization or anything to this one. So okay, so before doing any calculation you need to save this, and for that you can save the file like this, save it here, or you can go for simply the calculation and here you can set up your calculation and then you can do the optimization. Okay, so I think, yeah, I think this much for today, and thank you all.